My video guide is about getting rid of the fake survey alerts that are related to the site turboprices.com. Turboprices.com is a deceptive site that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. It actually tries to force you into sharing some of your personal details, such as name, surname, email address, and other information. Definitely, that's a mistake to share your personal data through such fake survey alerts. So, do not share any of your personal details through them. Such pop-ups could be the consequence of some adware enabled in your computer, so we recommend you to carefully examine the control panel and consider uninstalling any suspicious applications. In order to make sure that the system is free of other threats, I recommend that you research your device with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install the software, and start researching the system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.